Now children, let's start with our exercise. I had given you this exercise on page number 69. Now read the question carefully and then do it. See, complete the following sentences with the simple past form. So simple past is be2, that is second form of the verb given in the bracket. Now here the verbs are given in the bracket and you have to find the second form of the verb of this word, the words given in the bracket, and then you have to write in the blanks. So let us do our exercise. Now we don't have to do something more. We just have to find out the second form of the verb and fill in the blanks. So Jignesh missed his flight only by a few minutes. So we will write missed. He dash very frustrated. He felt, F-E-L-T, he felt very frustrated. The day started very strangely. The day started very strangely. Now let's come to the second page. It was one of those days. So B form is was. One of those days when everything went gone. So went wrong. When everything went wrong. Fifth one. When he dashed from home, he dashed his purse. When he started, S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started from home, he forgot. From the bus stop, he went back home to pick it up. Seventh one. At the bus stop, he nearly fell, F-E-L-L, fell while looking at his mobile phone. He wanted to take a taxi, but no taxi was available. The bus delayed and he reached the airport too late. So with this we come to the end of our exercise, the first exercise on page number 69. Now let's do this exercise on page number 73. Fill in the gaps with the past continuous forms of the verbs given below. Now see, this is the yellow box given and so many words are given here. Now we have to fill past continuous form of this. Now what is the formula of past continuous? It is was, were plus V1 plus ing. Okay, this is the formula for past continuous form. Now let us do the first sentence. It dashed cats and dogs at 4 o'clock this morning. So with this word you come to know this morning, that means recent work, isn't it? So it was raining. It was raining cats and dogs. My brother dashed the paper boats and I dashed them in the rain water. So my brother was making the paper boats and I was floating them in the rainwater. I did not notice you because I dashed very hard on my assignment, because I was working, isn't it? I was working very hard on my assignment. Fourth one. Why were you dashed to change the light bulb yourself? Why were you trying? Now word is already there, so only trying, T-R-Y-I-N, so only trying. Now come to the next page. While I dashed to the party, I ran into an old friend. So why while with this word while you come to know the continuous form. So was going while I was going to the party, I ran into an old friend. I ran into an old friend means I met an old friend. Sixth one, when her mother called her up, she was doing yoga. So she was doing yoga. Meera dashed the cat at home while Shobha dashed the dog in the garden. Meera was looking after the cat at home while Shobha was walking the dog in the garden. Now, eighth one, the milkman arrived just when she was going out to the market. She was going out to the market. Someone stole my bag when I was talking on phone. Was talking on phone. You knocked at the door when you knocked at the door. Now we'll have to see what is going to fit here. You knocked at the door. We can take sleep. When I was sleeping. Okay, so we can write here when I was sleeping. Okay. Now with this word you come to know the moment. So while I dash home, the postman came. So while I was leaving home, the postman came. When you saw me, I dashed to my mother. When you saw me, I was talking. I was, and talking is here, to my mother. So with this we come to the end of our exercise. Now let's do the next exercise on page number 74. That is, rewrite the following sentences with the simple past or past continuous. So now we have two. One is simple past, that is only the second form of the verb, and then we have the past continuous form, was, were plus V1 ing form also. Okay, so both are there now. Was, were plus V1 plus ing form of the verbs. So now you have to read the sentence carefully and identify that what verb is going to fit here, whether it is the second form of the past tense or it is the past continuous. So by looking or reading at the sentence you come to know. For example, let us see the first one. I dash on my assignment. Now work word is given. If I say I worked on my assignment, the sentence is incomplete. That means I worked on my assignment what? So it is incomplete. So it's not going to come this. So I was working on my assignment. Now it is complete. So I was working. That is how you come to know or you can identify which tense is going to be there. Now second one. I dashed those books when I was younger. That means now here I was loving. This is wrong English. So I loved those books. So only V2 is going to come. So loved. Jerry dashed to London that weekend. This is simple. That weekend. So that went. So Jerry went to London. Simple. Trisha dashed me to say that she could not come. So could, that means simple past, no? So again V2 is going to come here. So Trisha called me to say that she could not come. Called. Candles dash up the entire room. So only one activity is there. So candles lit up. Light. This is light, lit, lighten. So three forms. Now sixth one. She dash unwell. So she felt unwell. No. What? When? So the sentence is complete. So you're going to write here the continuous form, that she was feeling unwell. She was feeling unwell. You can use both the tense and then identify that which is the correct sentence and what is going to fit there if you have any doubts in that case. I dash for my earrings. That is, so I was searching. Okay, so I was searching, the ing form. Why? If I write I searched for my earrings when, so the sentence is incomplete, so it is not going to fit here, so we are going to write the continuous form. Okay, a storm dash, so this is a storm approached when, no, again incomplete, so a storm was approaching. Okay, so was approaching, ing form is going to be there. The phone dash when I came home. So when I came home, like something was going on at that time. Okay, so this is came is past tense. So again, the phone was ringing. Continuous form is going to come here. The phone was ringing when I came home. Now here, Payal dashed to school as she had missed the bus. Now, when had is there, obviously this is past perfect tense. So, past tense and past perfect tense, they go hand in hand. Okay, so here past tense. So, simple past is going to, V2 is going to come here. So, Payal walked. Payal walked to school as she had missed the bus. So with this we come to the end of our exercise.